Hi! In front of me is TCL 406 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Then tap on this eye next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!